President Marcos Jr. inspects a manufacturing plant in the Philippines amid goals to strengthen local production of e-vehicles. IBC correspondent Eugene Fernandez has the full details.
More and more Filipinos are now having an interest in using electric vehicles. According to a study, 34% of Filipino consumers now prefer electric or other alternative-powered vehicles, higher than 27% in 2025. One key reason is lower fuel costs, especially amid volatile global oil prices. But a key challenge remains the lack of strong local manufacturing base for e-vehicles here in the country.
Ang kulang talaga sa atin ay maka-engage ng industry partner na mas mapabilis ang production para bumaba ang presyo, para mas maging affordable ng ating mga kababayan.
That is why the Department of Science and Technology is strengthening its electric mobility program, focusing on EV technology, batteries, charging infrastructure, and local manufacturing. DOST also looking at MD1 Enterprises as a potential local manufacturer that can scale up EV production. During President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s visit, production facilities and capacity were assessed to identify what needs to be strengthened.
Kaya tinitingnan namin ang mga facilities, ano yung nandito na, ano na yung mga kulang, ano pa yung mga kulang na susuportahan ng ating DOST ng national government para makapaggawa na tayo ng electric vehicle dito sa Pilipinas.
Under DOST's SETA 4.0 program, the company will also be assisted in automatic production processes to improve speed and efficiency.
But alam na namin yung gagawin, and together with our technical consultants, I believe that we will soon be seeing a Filipino electric vehicle tricycle at maybe down the road makagawa na tayo ng jeepney.
DOST's effort also extend to universities with homegrown electric vehicle technologies, including Cagayan State University, University of the Philippines, and Mapua University. Through the Electric Mobility Program and SETA 4.0, DOST aims to meet the demand on e-vehicles in the country, as well as to provide our driver a vehicle which is cheap to maintain. Eugene Fernandez, IBC News.